I'm Paul Tapier for Auto Parts Warehouse, again from SEMA 2017. We're with Newark Auto, who has replacement mats and carpets and rubber mats for every kind of vehicle you can probably imagine, because the company was established in 1907. That's according to Ben here.
That's right. We were established 110 years ago as originally a upholstery shop. Some of our original customers were presidents who came through. Woodrow Wilson had his horse-drawn carriage reupholstered by us at our Newark shop. Ultimately, we did move out of Newark. We've been serving the automotive industry with these products for over 60 years now.
Oh my goodness, that's incredible. All right, let's take a look first here. You got these panels for the people who are coming by your booth, replacement rubber mats for classic pickup trucks, like?
Well, one of the things we do is we do have these molded rubber mats. They are made for the classic pickup trucks. They're made of good quality virgin rubber, so they don't smell when the truck gets hot. They do have similar to original patterns in the rubber, so I won't say it's exact, but it's very similar. They all have what looks like a heel pad on the driver's side. They're all custom made to fit right into the specific vehicles, and they are offered by your company in the catalog.
Yeah, Ben, and then that's important to us, and particularly for the pickup truck drivers who love Auto Parts Warehouse. You've got some replacement carpets for those too?
We do. We do make the custom sewn to contour, what we call a front with side extensions, which is what was original in these years, because we do the earlier years, and it would cover across the cab in the front, from the firewall to the front of the front seat, and then we do have two what we call the side extensions that go along the side of the seat, so that when the customer opens the door to the truck, they do see carpet from the kick panel all the way in to the seat. It just doesn't go under the seat or behind the seat.
And again, the materials are?
Well, we use a nylon loop or a nylon cut pile, and we have a variety of different colors in each of those materials.
Okay, well, if you have a classic pickup truck and you want mats, especially, I like the fact that they're virgin and they won't smell up your truck.
It's important in hot vehicles.
Right, and beautiful carpeting that you've thought of everything as far as the fitment is concerned.
Fitment, and then the quality. We all have a vinyl heel pad on the driver's side, which is the prime area that wears out. We put cloth binding on all the edges that would be exposed once it's installed properly, so those edges are nicely done. And underneath all of it, there's a 20-ounce heavy-duty padding under the main floor area, so there's a little bit of cushioning under your feet. Also keeps the road noise and the heat off.
All right, Ben, thanks so much. Ben from Newark Auto here on Auto Parts Warehouse for your classic pickup truck, and many more applications, which we're going to get to a little bit later on from SEMA 2017. I'm Paul Tapier.